before. We gonna drink tonight, we're happy as can be, cause we are the member of the Tau Gamma Pi, which is the best fraternity, supreme fraternity. Over and over the whole country, we will die for the name of our fraternity. We are proud that we are Tau Gamma Pi. When the squealers come to criticize our frat, we'll to die for the Tau Gamma Pi. We love Tau Gamma Pi, we love Tau Gamma Pi. 3 Quillion Grand Fraternity is our fraternity. Will to die for his name, will to die for his name. We are proud, we are Tau Gamma Pi.